National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hubbard County, south central Beltrami County, until 9 p.m. At 8:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Basita, or 10 miles southwest of Bemidji, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plantagenet Lake, LaPorte, Tabacona, Benedict, Guthrie, Basita, and Neri. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.